At the end of last year, we reached out to young people across Australia to show us their special talents. Whether they recite Quran, love to sing, make films, practice martial arts or act on stage, we wanted to see the fire of passion and creativity in our youth. Through the Sounds of Light Talent Quest, we're aiming to develop and nurture those talents for the good of others, to help needy children around the globe. Over 170 participants sent us proof of how wonderfully talented and diverse our youth can be. With so many standout performances, the task of choosing the winners was overwhelming. But after careful consideration by the judging panel, here are some of the best entries in the inaugural 2016 Sounds of Light Talent Quest.
We work hard every opportunity to break walls, fighting on the lunacy that they cause. Respect having you and me in the same class, giving you the right facts. We keep asserting that Islam has been hijacked. We don't like that.
We all have different abilities and strengths. We are not perfect, we make mistakes. But through those errors, we learn valuable lessons. We can all inspire and help the people around us, our community, or even people around the world. It's just a matter of whether you have discovered your talent or not. And even if you haven't, use your character as a way to convey kindness, to brighten someone's day or bring them closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
I just need a little more space to live my life and make my own decisions, looking through my eyes. I'm not trying to break your trust, it's all I need. But I'm growing up now, so let me breathe.
Public speaking is a powerful system of communication. You can motivate people with your message. You can tell a story that might inspire young adults to consider options, their career, their life. You can convey a message that can educate those around us.
القادر الحليم الغافر الرحيم إن قال كن يكون سبحانه العظيم رضيت بالله ربا وبالإسلام دينا.
Do you remember the first time I met you? I felt that God answered my call. There was that one place I always thought about, and I just wanted to be there with you.
Congratulations to everyone who entered. You really are a talented bunch.